Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. Today is a very highly anticipated video. It's my NIRA Laser Black Friday video. Today through December 3rd, you can shop the NIRA website at 25% off using my promo code, but only while supplies last. So if you have this on your shopping list, grab it now because it has sold out in the past during Black Friday. I don't recommend waiting if you want to shop the NIRA sale this holiday season. The link and code are down in my description, or you can always head over to my Black Friday page on my website where all the links and codes are listed. Before we get started, if you're new here, hi, my name's Trina. I'm 49 years old. I make videos mostly about beauty devices, so if you're interested in this topic, I would love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram, and I have a private Facebook group all about beauty devices with almost 32,000 members. I will leave links to all of this down in the description so you can go check it out later. So in today's video, I'm going to talk you through the two NIRA lasers, the NIRA Pro and the NIRA Precision. I'll talk you through the skincare and the bags and pouches they offer to store your devices and travel with your devices and your skincare. I'll show you some before and after photos of both lasers. And I have demos showing you how I use both of the lasers. And I'll answer a lot of FAQs that come up all the time about these lasers. And if you're new to NIRA, feel free to watch the whole video as I explain the technology. But if you're not new to NIRA and you want to skip around to a different part of the video, I always include chapters in my videos, so feel free to skip around and watch whatever section is of most interest to you. So it's no secret that I am obsessed with my NIRA lasers and have been for years. Before I had my NIRA lasers, I was using very complicated devices that had steep learning curves and messy gels that you had to use. But with NIRA, the results are so fast and easy, I can get done with the treatments in minutes a day. There's no gel required, and the results have been great. Both of these lasers are FDA cleared and clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. They both come with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so if you're nervous to get them, don't be, because if they don't work for you or you're not satisfied for any reason, you can return them and get your money back. And I swear by these lasers. I've been using the NIRA Precision for years, and I've been using the NIRA Pro since it launched, and they work great for me, but for some reason, if they don't work for you, you can get your money back, which is a reason I confidently recommend these lasers to anyone that's interested in buying them. NIRA lasers use the same non-fractional laser technology that dermatologists use in the office, but you can use these in the comfort of your own home. These lasers are painless, there's no downtime, there's no redness, there's no recovery time. So you just grab them, use them, and go. And they're safe for all skin types and all skin tones. Not only are they clinically proven with lots of before and after case studies, they are perfect for anybody that doesn't have a lot of time to spend but still wants to improve their skin. I use it underneath my eyes to brighten up dark circles, and other people have reported that the laser helps them brighten up dark spots and improve skin texture. And it can help with sagging skin as well. I use the NIRA Precision laser almost every single day on my eye area. I use it to lift and tighten my hooded eyes. I swear by this laser. It keeps my eyes looking really youthful. I also use it in the corner of my eyes here to brighten up the dark circles under my eyes. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I include it in my routine when I'm brushing my teeth. Usually in the morning, I'm brushing my teeth for a couple of minutes, I finish that, then I grab my NIRA Precision, and it's so easy to work into my routine. I can put up my photos from when I first started using this laser years ago, where you can see in just 30 days, it tightened up my eye really significantly, and then over time it got better. And I just continue to use it in maintenance mode. Then I can treat the rest of my face with the NIRA Pro, and it only takes me 5 minutes to do my entire face, my neck, chest, and the back of my hands. Some people report it takes them a little bit longer because they have more surface area or they work a little bit more slowly. But I've been using this for a really long time, and I'm able to get done with it in just 5 minutes. And also, when I'm doing my chest area, I really focus on just this center area that has a lot of sun damage. So if you're gonna work a larger surface area, then yes, it will take a little longer, but I'm able to get it done in just 5 minutes. So that's one of the reasons I love recommending NIRA, because there's no gel, so there's no messy prep and nothing you have to wipe on or off your face. And you can get done in just minutes. So 2 minutes, and then 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and I'm done. And I use it on my 11s, on my forehead to smooth out these lines, on my crow's feet area, on the rest of my eye area, cheeks, and my gels. And then on the sides of your neck here, I don't do it on the center of my neck because I don't want to do it on my throat or my thyroid. And then on my chest and the back of your hands. And you can use it underneath your chin here if you have some turkey neck coming in. I'll show you my before and after photos. I did a 60-day test of the NIRA Pro. Here is the first set of photos that show my entire face, and I'm smiling here so you can see my dynamic wrinkles. I have a lot of wrinkles around my eye area when I smile, and in the before photo they're much more pronounced. They're deeper, the lines are longer, and in the after photo, my eyes look so much more youthful. The under eye is not as dark. The lines are smoothed out, they're shorter, they're less severe. So I see the most improvement in my eye area from using the NIRA Pro. There are improvements on other parts of my face, like around my jowls area is slightly improved. My forehead looks pretty much the same, but around the eye area is really where I saw the best results. Here are the photos of my chest. I focused mainly on the center portion of my chest where I have the most fine lines and the most sun damage. I definitely saw improvement in the lines smoothing out, and the texture and tone looks a little bit better in the after photo. It looks like it brightened up some of the hyperpigmentation. It's very, very slight, but I see more improvement in how much smoother my chest is now in the after photo. If you're time starved and you're looking for results, the NIRA is a must-have device for your at-home routine. And many people ask me, do I need both lasers? I personally do, because the NIRA Precision is the best laser for me to get into that hooded eye area. I tried using the Pro and it's just too big and doesn't pinpoint the area well enough. These lasers use heat to stimulate collagen and elastin production in the dermis, and they're heating up the water in the dermis. And this laser delivers that heat pulse so precisely where I need it in my hooded eye area. And so I've just found this to be the perfect laser for that area, and it gets into the corners of my eye really, really well. Whereas the Pro doesn't really get in there, as you can see. And a lot of people like to use this around their lips to smooth out lip wrinkles and to get into the nasolabial folds or the marionette lines, and the laser just does a much better job. It's called the NIRA Precision, which makes sense because you can get really, really precise in the areas that you want to smooth out. Whereas the NIRA Pro is better at treating larger surface areas faster. So I personally recommend both, but if you have more surface area on your hooded eyes, or you don't have hooded eyes at all, you could get away with just the NIRA Pro, but I definitely use both regularly in my skincare routine. Both lasers come with 5 different comfort levels. I use the NIRA Precision on level 2, and I have for years, and you don't have to worry about working your way up to a higher level. Level 2 has been great for me for years. That's the level that I see results on, and it's not like you're trying to build up a tolerance to work your way up to a higher level, because everyone's skin is different. Your skin sensitivity to the lasers may change based on how much water is in your skin, depending on how much humidity is in the air, or if you're dehydrated, for example. So there are different levels for you to use. And I started out using the NIRA Pro on level 5, but now I use it on a lower level because I find that I can get done with the routine much faster and I still see great results. It seems like the laser works a lot faster when it's a lower level, like level 3, because it doesn't have to work so hard to get so hot. So I still feel the heat and I just move it across my skin and I see great results, but that's a tip. If it's taking a while or you don't love the results, try dropping down to a lower level with the Pro and see if you like the results better. I really like using this now on level 3. Again, you don't have to work your way up to level 5. If you feel heat, the laser is working. So you don't have to worry about working your way up to the highest level. And make sure you're using the lasers on clean, dry skin. You don't use any gel, you don't use any skincare. You want to make sure that your skin is clean and dry, because if your skin is wet, it can hurt. That's a top tip, to make sure you're using them on clean, dry skin. And then after you're done, it's very important to properly hydrate your skin, because you just use heat to stimulate collagen and elastin and to heat up the water in your dermis. You want to make sure you deeply hydrate your skin afterwards. And they have 2 skincare products, the hyaluronic acid and the Youth Renewal Peptide Cream. This is the Moisture Lock Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and it is a lovely, clean formula. And I love to put this on right after I finish the laser treatment, because It feels so soothing and hydrating because hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, so it feels really nice to put on your skin. And then I let it sink in for maybe less than a minute, and then I put on a layer of this Youth Renewal Peptide Cream to lock in all of that hydration and to deliver powerful skincare actives to my skin. Peptides, Matrixyl 3000, argireline, caffeine, vitamin E. This is such a winning combination to make sure that your skin is deeply hydrated and nourished after you complete your NIRA laser treatment. It is a really important step because people will say, oh, the lasers are making my skin look worse. It could be that your skin is just dehydrated. And if you just put on a layer of skin-loving, hydrating skincare like this, it will plump up and fill in those lines and just give your skin the hydration it needs, and your skin will be looking so much better. So it's very important to follow the protocol, using the lasers on clean, dry skin, and then following up with a deeply hydrating and nourishing skincare routine. So now is the perfect time to treat yourself to anything that NIRA has to offer. If you have one laser and you were looking to buy the other one, it's a great time. If you're completely new to NIRA, you can buy the whole set of both lasers and both skincare products at an incredible savings. You could also stock up on the hyaluronic acid serum and peptide cream, or someone on your shopping list is already a user of the NIRA lasers. I'm sure they would be thrilled to get a restock of their skincare. NIRA also makes these really great travel bags and pouches that I love to use when I'm on the go. Even when I'm on the go, I must use my NIRA laser. I love to use this travel pouch because my laser and skincare fit so nicely in here. You can expand the pouch on the bottom. You can fit your laser and the hyaluronic acid serum in here really nicely. This is a great pouch if you have one laser. If you have both lasers, you can get a bigger pouch so you can carry both of your lasers and both of the skincare items everywhere you go. They have some really great options on the website that are all 25% off. So now is the perfect time to shop the NIRA site. Whether you're shopping for yourself or a skincare lover on your list, there's something for everyone. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're able to take advantage of NIRA's Black Friday sale. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, share with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you in the next one. Happy shopping. Bye.